The water's boiling. We're making the pop, guys.
That's burning? Sorry, what? Oh my gosh, we forgot about
The pop is yellow.
Are you not embarrassed? Hey! Oh!
Baby subbies, oh my god! Lencheon, be excited. Why are you not excited to see my baby subbies?
Are you rolling?
It's rolling, man. Why are you not excited to see the baby subbies? Oh, there. Look at that. Look at it. We hit 20,000 subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor. This is
Lencheon, guys! Lencheon! Yeah?
Lencheon. Today we are going to celebrate my 20,000 subscribers by, what are we doing?
You need to say it. You
What?
need to say Rira Buhove.
Rira. Wait, okay, wait, say it again. Rira
Buhove.
Wahove
Le grave.
Le grave
Le moros.
Le Voros.
There we go.
Translation, we're making pop with gravy and meat. Sausage. I don't know what I'm doing. You know, Lencheon's really gonna just take the wheels here, just take it all the way around, and I'm just gonna attempt.
She's not gonna attempt. I'm gonna be the sous chef here.
Oh, okay.
So she's gonna be the actual chef. I'm just gonna show her. Okay?
For all my people out there that don't know what pop is, it's this. It's a super maize meal.
You wanna tell them where they can get this?
Oh yeah, you can get this at the Woolies. That's where we got it. Okay, what are we doing first? What?
Well, what am I doing? You chopping? Yes.
We're chopping. What are we chopping?
I'm the sous chef. So
Okay, no, I'm sorry, I'm the chef. So I'm gonna be chopping,
No, sous chef, meaning that I have to. No, am I getting it?
is that not? You're the main chef?
No, you're the main chef.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Oh.
You need onion.
Okay.
Garlic.
Next we need
Branchel.
Okay.
say it. Okay, wait, tell them. Y'all, this is an eggplant.
No,
Look at the eggplant emoji. Rangel.
Tomato. Your
Okay.
Itamati.
Ooh,
Tomato.
say it again.
Nothing like that.
Say it again.
Itamati.
Alright guys, the first thing on the to-do list.
Let's get some water in the pot.
Oh yeah, we gotta pour water in the pot.
Yeah. You wanna do that? Yeah.
Oh my god, that was my first test!
This is what I have to deal with every single day.
You ready for this?
Look at that. Amazing. Who does that?
No one.
No one.
No one but me. How much water should I put in?
Go. There we go.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need salt, guys. We need salt.
Oh yeah.
We need some salt because we need to get some flavor in there.
Yeah.
In our pot.
Alright, okay, what we got?
And then we're just gonna chop everything, but here's a trick about making pop, right? So obviously when you put it in the pot, it needs to be soft. So we're gonna put it in a little bowl. It's called a bowl. Dude, what are you interested in?
Okay.
What are you
A bowl.
A bowl.
It's a bowl, shorty. Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing first?
We're putting this in the bowl, and then we're gonna put some water in it. Then we're gonna make it soft.
Ah.
And then you're gonna put it in the pot. But also you kind of have to do it slowly. There's like a nice technique to it. Or you could just mess it up and hopefully pray that all goes well, and then you see at the end. That's what I do. Mix this with water.
Okay, in the bowl.
Yes.
Alright. I'm gonna guess that it has the consistency of flour. No?
It's a bit grainy.
This is what it looks like, guys. No. Yep, that's it. Alright.
Pour it until I tell you to stop.
This is hardcore pop making. Am I going? No.
Oh, stop.
Okay, what's next?
Water. Cold water. We can use the tap water, it's fine. It's fine even if it's like paste, you know? Keep going. Throw the whole thing. Nobody's gonna die. Okay, that's good. Nice. Do you know how to make porridge?
No.
And then now we need to check if our water's boiling.
When the water's boiling, we are going to...
We're gonna put the pop in there.
We're gonna put the pop in the water and
then we're gonna just wait for it to cook a little.
And then we're just gonna wait for it to cook a little.
And then we're gonna keep on putting some more in it until it's a bit hard, like it stiffens. Like stave pop. You know stave pop? Bright pop? Guys, help. This is what I'm dealing with.
What is pop? Like...
What is pop?
That, but like...
You know corn?
Okay, so wait, can I use this to make corn tortillas?
I don't know how to
It low-key looked like I could use it to make a corn tortilla.
You could make it. You could make corn tortillas out of this.
I'm about to make a corn tortilla out of this.
And what is the main ingredient for the tortilla?
I've never made a corn tortilla, so I'm just guessing right now. I honestly have no idea. All right, guys, we're about to chop this up, and then we're gonna go from there. So yeah, let's just do that real quick.
Oh, wait, before we get to our gravy,
Okay.
we need to fry the sausage.
Oh yeah, we gotta fry our
Sorry, there we go.
bratwurst.
Sausage, get sausage, borosaki.
Okay.
Borosaki.
Borosaki.
Borosa.
No. Let's like give me hard stuff to say, cause you know.
Not hard. That's
Say it
very
again.
easy.
Say it again.
Borosaki, borosa.
Say sausage
Boros.
with a V.
With a W. W-O-R-S. Boros. You know, like Buddha box? This is Buddha box, actually.
Wurst.
Buddha box. Don't ask me what Buddha is, but.
I feel like my brain is breaking. Okay, guys, let's go cut.
I guess it's too much. Too much.
Oh yeah, it's too much.
It's boiling.
The water's boiling.
Just like how we make porridge, you first start with that type of texture, and then we kind of let it to sit down a little. Well, sit down, that is not the right way to say it, but we kind of let it to cook, and then we add more, but obviously when it's dry like that, so we can get it a bit hard.
Okay, cool, let's start it. We're gonna put that in there and do that. And then she gonna do it again. Oh, I think she's just gonna keep on doing it.
Yeah.
This is Pop by Lencheon.
No, it's actually by Taylor. Get Taylor. Taylor. So Taylor is get Taylor. So you do that. Oh my gosh, this is what I didn't want.
What?
Okay.
Where'd you?
See, there we go.
Oh, it's still on high. That's why. You want to bring it down?
Yeah. That's great.
It's exploding. All right, now that that's, you know, doing whatever it's doing back there, we're about to hurry up and chop up this, what are we chopping up? We chopping up these veggies, these peppers, all yada yada yada. And then we're gonna do something with them after that. Lencheon says we're missing a wooden spoon to really get the full pop effect, so we're gonna have to improvise with a whisk.
I don't know if it, guys, this is sad.
Yes, what she said. Ooh.
So hot. Okay, I'm gonna go to the side a little. Gosh, it's very hot.
Look at those arm skills.
This is a joke. Oh yeah, we are using this.
You can get an arm workout. You're doing great. Look at those,
Sorry,
look at those
you
muscles.
should be doing this.
Look at those arm muscles right there. Yeah. Flex on them,
You
show
should
you.
be learning how to do this. Come on,
Okay.
you can do it.
Okay.
How do you feel? Is it hot?
Like, I don't really know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Just
Okay, now we need to put more. Okay, hold
More
on.
what?
More of this.
More what?
More pop. More
Oh.
mealy pop.
Alright, we need to put more pop in the bowl. I'm gonna stir, she's gonna pour, and then I guess we'll go from there.
Okay, just a little. There. Until you feel like this is the right texture that you want for your pop.
Close up. We're making the pop, guys. I'm doing great. Hot over there. Y'all eat grits out here?
Grits?
Grits?
Isn't grits
This smells like grits.
wait, I thought grits was like mashed potato.
Mm-mm.
But I don't know, it's some sort of
This low-key grits.
This is grits.
This is low-key grits.
You know what reminds me of grits? Medea.
Yeah.
Watching it. Grits gehoven. Ha. Okay.
Wow.
Grits is fun.
It smells like grits. It literally smells like grits.
No, because it was that scene. Can't remember how it went. But anyway, Medea was telling somebody that you just need to cook some grits. Cook some grits. And when you're done, you gotta just... Do you like this? I mean, like the texture.
I don't know.
Are you happy with this texture?
Are you happy with the texture?
I'm good.
I don't know what texture I'm looking for, so.
Yeah, no, this is too soft for us.
Okay, let's make it thick. Wow, we making grits. Thick grits. I'm gonna buy some grits when I get back to the US and try to make pop. You think it'll work out? I mean, I was gonna say, have you ever had grits, but.
No. Maar ek grits. We gaan make grits. So in a way, I've actually had some grits. Okay, I do like this texture, so I'm happy with this.
Okay.
My private school.
Huh. Alright guys, well, oh, there it goes.
I just put it on a low temperature. We don't want it to burn.
Yep.
We also want it to thoroughly cook,
yeah.
so we can enjoy it. The pop.
Alright guys, well that's how you make pop. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, you know what I'm saying?
You didn't make the pop.
What you talking about?
I made the pop.
Hater, she's a hater. So first we're gonna cook the meat in this pan, and then, after we cook that in there, we're gonna cook the gravy in the same pan. Correct! Butter West. What's it called?
Boss.
Oh, West. Oh, what? It sounds like a V. Alright guys, we cut up the peppers, we cut up the eggplant. There's some garlic over there somewhere. Lencheon's cutting up some tomatoes now. We got our wurst. Wurst. Boroso. Alright guys, this is after of our wurst. Okay, we're starting the gravy in the same pan that we cooked the wurst.
Why? Because we want the flavor.
Why? Because we want the flavor. So she's putting the onions in first. As you can see, like so. And the garlic. I'll sweat the technique. Oh, she got all the technique, huh? She got all the technique, huh? Give me a wink into the camera. The things she does for the baby subbies. Ooh, horrible timing. Next I'm gonna put a handful of, what?
Peppers and brinjal. What did you call this?
Eggplant.
No.
Aubergine.
Aubergine.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Oh yeah, look at the technique, y'all. She's a queen. All right guys, next we're gonna season our vegetables with...
You gonna do what?
Season our vegetables.
Okay. You can put some chicken spice.
How much?
Until abapansi they say stop. Did they say stop? No?
Huh?
Did they say stop?
Who said stop?
Abapansi, your ancestors. Do you feel anything?
Bro, I was like, what are you talking about? I thought you were gonna tell me stop.
Are you happy?
I forgot I knew that word. I don't know.
Are you happy? Now let's get something in there. What do you want to put?
I don't know. I'm stressed. Can you just tell me what to do?
Okay, fine. Open that cupboard thing.
All right, y'all. We're gonna put a little bit of Raja. My man's Raja.
Go. Don't be scared.
Oh. Okay, now we're gonna put the rustic garlic and herbs. She said herbs. It's getting real spicy over here.
Then we're gonna put some Portuguese rice spice.
When's the last time you used this?
We want to get lettuce right in there.
Hot, so going strong. You think it's burning at all?
That's burning?
Pop? No?
Sorry, what?
You think it's burning?
Oh, the pop?
It's been on.
Oh my gosh, we forgot about the...
Burnt, huh?
It's not supposed to be yellow.
Yes,
It's a bird.
The pop is yellow!
We failed. I forgot to...
Lencheon burned the pop, guys. The whole point of the pop making video. She messed up the only thing we were supposed to perfect. How dare you? You're fired, sous chef. You're fired. Get out of my kitchen.
Wait. I think we can rescue this. Ooh, smell that bird pop.
Let me show you guys what burnt pop looks like. Dang, Lencheon. Are you not embarrassed? be embarrassed on YouTube, eh?
We are not posting this.
This will be on the internet forever. Lencheon burning the
We're
pop.
not posting this. You guys are not gonna know about this, okay?
We will know. Look
We're
at
gonna
that.
cover this,
Okay.
and then we're gonna take that away.
It's deep in there.
And we're just gonna put this on the side.
Lencheon
and
burn the
nobody's gonna
pop.
know.
This looks like it's gonna be good though.
Forgot about the pop. Listen, that part looks good.
Yeah, it does.
That part,
No.
we can't have that part.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, it looks
It's
good.
amazing, right?
Okay.
Okay, so
Really?
we're not gonna have that part.
We're only
and
gonna-
nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know, but nobody's else is gonna know.
Taking L's here. We are taking L's.
Talking
Okay.
about this supposed to be great. All right, y'all. I just had to tell you, we switched the recipe up. We make a smoked pop today. It's not regular pop.
It's smoked pop.
This is smoked pop by Lencheon. It's an OG original. You can only get it with her. I never had no pop that tastes like that before. Tastes real smoky. It's giving firewood. Barbecue. It's giving bright pop.
Exactly, bright pop. It's done.
It's done.
It's done. So shame, guys.
All right, guys, our gravy is done. We've got smoked pop, smoked gravy, and smoked whoops.
Everything's smoked.
What do we got?
Acha!
We got Acha, baby.
Gotta have this with Acha, guys.
Yeah.
There's no way that we can have smoked pop. Smoked pop.
Without
Acha.
Without Acha, you gotta have the smoked pop with the Acha.
It's the new thing. Everybody's eating smoked pop.
Literally, they don't even know. You the first. Lencheon created smoked pop.
You know what? Wait till we act. Actually, again, I don't know how to cook, and that's it.
Who y'all know? Who else y'all know can create smoked pop? No one.
You must eat this now.
Okay.
You must eat this.
Okay.
Project smoked pop.
Okay.
We got the white side, and we got the orange side.
Let me know.
The brown side. Which side do you want?
Let me know why I say my other half. Now we're gonna try it after I figure out how to make the camera straight. Tell the baby how you eat this. What do we do?
The best way to eat pap is
Yes.
with your hands. You
Okay.
you have to get in there. Look at you with that smoked pap. Hey, it's hot. No matter. It's hot. Smoked pap, let's go.
Now what?
Dip it in the gravy.
Uh-huh. It's hot. I'm dipping in the gravy.
And
I'm gonna get
the
some
Acha.
Acha on there. Oh, look at it. Ooh. Hold on, wait. Okay, good. Cover your eyes.
It's only, they closing their eyes.
Yeah. Never had no smoked pop like this before. First time for everything, guys. Yo, it's really smoky.
Is it? Okay, I'm gonna give it a try.
It's real nice and smoky, you know what I'm saying? It's giving barbecue. It's giving braai.
Listen, if you were drunk and you had a braai and you had this, you wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. How would they know?
How would they know?
They're never gonna know. I'm about to try this worst. This is my worst.
Voroso. Say it.
Voroso. I'm gonna take a bite of it. Now this right here, cooked to perfection. What do you think? What would you rate this?
The whole thing?
All of it.
Including the smoked pop?
Mm-hmm.
A good 7.
Okay, if you didn't put the smoked pop in it, what would you rate it?
A 10. A 10,
Mm-hmm.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
The brandules in there?
The what?
Eggplant. I can't with her.
I'm gonna give it one
I'm
grade.
actually enjoying this.
Yeah, I'm not mad. It's good.
You know what?
I
If
know.
you don't rate yourself, nobody's gonna rate you.
Exactly. If you don't give yourself a 10, nobody gonna give you a 10. Especially not her. That's all the time we got today on Cooking with Lencheon, aka Smoke Pop, burning shit up in the kitchen. Comment down below what other dishes, foods you want me and Lencheon to try to make. I don't know.